Hello, class. In week 6, we are going to focus on compare and contrast writing. The goal for this week is that you will be able to write your own compare and contrast essay on Sunday. So, for this essay, you're going to choose two jobs that you would like to have once you've earned your degree at ORU and compare and contrast these two different positions. Now, to help you with the writing process of this essay, I have created a separate video to walk you through it and how to brainstorm instruction and structure it. And you can find the link to that video in this message below. I'll also send it out later on in the week in another news announcement. To help you with learning how to do compare and contrast writing, you are going to read a sample essay in our textbook called Beyond the Polite Smile by Janice Pang. And in the discussion forum, you're going to be asked to analyze this essay and talk about how does she do this compare and contrasting and what is she comparing and contrasting. And to help you with that, I want us to refer back to the critical reading skills that we learned all the way in week 1. And I made a little video to help refresh your memory on that. You can find it in the message below, or I'll send it out in the news forum probably tomorrow to help you with that. So that covers the majority of what we'll learn this week. And then to go back to our toolbox, I thought I should divide it up now. You're going to learn 3 new skills kind of under the grammar section of this. So you're going to learn what fragment sentences are, run-ons, and comma splices. Okay, so these are all issues of sentence structure. And mainly the last 2 run-ons and comma splices are punctuation errors. So, and often they have to do with commas. So that's what you'll be learning for this week. And then just a review for our essay toolbox, you already know how to do introductions. Whoops, let me see if I can get there. Introductions, conclusions, thesis statements, and body paragraphs. And you'll be using all of these when writing your project 5 for this essay. More so than some of the others, we're really going to be getting into how to structure a real academic essay. So you are expected to have a thesis statement for this paper and have a formal introduction and formal conclusions with it, which is a little bit different than the narrative paper that you did in week 3. All right, if you have any questions on anything this week, please get in touch with me. If you're a little nervous about the essay, which is our first kind of more academic essay, I really encourage you to watch the video that I've linked below that'll walk you through the writing process for that essay. All right, have a good week and God bless.